Hi, we're looking at April. Today is April 22, 2024. We're looking at the SPY. Today's trading is beautiful. For those who long, if you went long, you should be able to get nice profit today. As I said last video, there were lots of bullish signals, right? First of all, the SPY was trading outside the lower band, Bollinger Band, for so many days. Now finally go back inside the Bollinger Bands now. That's normal. So we got support, 495. Should be a good support there. And look at today, my favorite strategy, 2 minute. See, 2 minute for the 50 cross 200. It didn't complete on last Friday. So now today, 50 cross 200. It just kept on going. Nice. 4 points. I think those should be able to get 3 points at least. Not the whole complete, cycle. Should be able to pick up, 3 points. In the morning, it went down and filled the gap and then took off after. Now in the final hours, in the final 2 hour pullback, it doesn't look too good, but as long as stay above, look at 5-minute chart here. As long as look at 5 minute, as long as stay above 200 moving average, you should be quite positive, still bullish. And again, I have done some research in the past. I run a little program to run how often for 50 moving average cross 200 on 5-minute chart. Usually, on average, it's about 5 to 7 days. On average, the 50 should cross above 200. So right now it's about 6 days, so it's about right. Usually, on average, the probability of 50 moving average cross 200 moving average, either up or down, should be 5 to 7 days cycle. So this is a cycle now. You can call it a cycle. So this now you change the trend. For bigger trend, always start from smaller time frame, right? So 5 minutes started first. So now it's as long as stay above 200 moving average, it should be bullish. But once go back below 200 moving average, you better on the lookout. So for now, it's still bullish in my opinion. And another thing to look at, and every month the down and up bar should be balanced. When I say balance means like 50-50. If we get 10 down bar, we should have 10 up bar, or a little bit higher. Usually the odds favor the both sides. So if we have a 25 trading days, that means we should have more up bar than down bar. If 25 bar days, that means we should have at least 13 or 14 up bar, and less, and then 12 or 11 down bar. But now so far we have less up bar because of downtrend. Downtrend is the opposite, but still should be about 40% up bar and 60% down bar, even the downtrend. Getting close, so we have about how many days left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6 days left. So don't be so bearish. And plus, I think it's the market is forming if this is a lower low right here, if this is lower low, that means we need a lower high somewhere here. There will be lower high right here, right? If this is a really lower low, If not, there's another scenario. For now, let's assume this is a lower low. Now bounce, it might continue, and also 10-day moving average is far away from the close today. So tomorrow it might hit the resistance 10-day. Possible. Let's keep it open. If not, then retest the low 492 or a little bit lower. But anyway, let's assume this is a temporary bottom. That means a lower low. We need a lower high. So lower high is somewhere around here. And also 515. If you look at 15-minute chart on the right, 515 is a gap. Let's see. 515 is a gap. If 515 is a gap, that means somewhere around here. Yes, right here. So this is a gap here. It might go all the way to fill the gap. You never know, but I don't think so. That's too extreme. That means change the whole, from the alien point of view. This is totally change the cycle. But anyway, for now, let's look at support and resistance. This resistance up there should be here. Let's be more realistic. 505 should be the 10-day moving average should be a big resistance right here. And below 492 support. When I say 492, which is equivalent to the futures low, the futures E-mini futures low, it didn't get tested, okay, on Friday. So it might test the futures low, the last Friday's low on this week. So two scenarios. One's go up there, test the 10-day moving average. The second scenario is go down there, test 492, or even a little bit lower. I'm hoping this is the temporary, that this is a lower low. I mean, yeah, lower low. Then we need a lower high. If we need lower high, that means somewhere around here, the 50 moving 10-day or 50-day moving average. So watch out. And also look at SPY 15-minute. Once can break above and stay close above 504 here, this is another resistance. We have positive, bullish sign going up more. So wait and see. Just we have to look at level by level. Look at Dow Jones. Yeah, see, Dow Jones now is trading above 10-day. Looks like the 5-day will cross 10-day on Dow Jones. And also is Dow Jones already close above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bar ago. This is a bullish sign for the Dow Jones. Okay, and it trade. Let's see tomorrow have a follow through. It will keep on going to confirm the upside. For now, wait and see. As long as let's look at it. Go back to SPY. I think tomorrow, as long as close above today's open, it should be good. Which is 497 today's open. As long as it close above 497.73 tomorrow, I think it's still a good sign for bulls. Still more room to go up. Hopefully it will hit 10-day moving average either tomorrow or Wednesday. Let's look at the futures. Yeah, futures about the same. Really, it's same as SPY, so really not much to talk about for the futures. But for the SPY 15-minute, so far we have retracement. There's a retracement up to 38%. Let's see tomorrow we'll hit 50%. 504 should be a big resistance. Look at it. Look at the 504 here. Lots of selling here, this area, so it should be a big resistance. Let's see, we'll cut through it. So again, use a smaller time frame to determine your entry. So right now 1 minute is down. If it pull back more, let's see 2 minutes will complete. If it pull back more and stays, this level 495 should be a support. As long as it stay here, it will take off again. It will hit another high tomorrow. So always buy low, sell high. If it comes down here around this area, it's not a bad idea to open the long positions. At least in the stop loss, close, minimize your losses. So thank you for watching the video. Good luck on your trading.